Hello everyone, myself Kushi. I am a law student in IME Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm Lexis and Company. So guys, from this video we are going to discuss the difference between the judgment and decree. The law unfolds the system which a system of rules and regulation which are based on the different principle of justice, fairness and equality. So as to govern the human activities, in decree impose the legal and a formal order which specifies the rights and obligation of parties concerned. On the other hand, if we're talking about the judgment, judgment refers to the decision taken by judge on the premise of the order or decree. As we all know that the thousand of the cases are dealt in the courts daily, on which the judgment is pronounced, after which a decree follow. A decree comes into being as when the judgment is given and not on the date when the decree duly signed and sealed by the judge. We compare the decree and judgment. The meaning of judgment is the statement given by a judge which adjudicates all the issues concerning the lawsuit and specifics the rights and liabilities of the party. On other hand, a decree is something which declares the consequence of the suit and specifically determines the right and the liabilities of the party. This is the meaning of the decree. This decree and judgment, which is defined, the judgment defined in the section 29 of the civil of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, and the decree which is defined under the section 2 clause 2 of the Code of Civil Procedure Code 1908. If we're talking about the nature of the judgment nature is totally final. On the other hand, the nature of the decree is primarily final or a party primarily and a party final. It is depend on that. The judgment is a concluding part. On other hand, the decree is the operating part. Which is passed in both civil as well as criminal cases. On other hand, the decree which is only passed in the civil cases. Talking about the formal expression of judgment is desirable and the formal expression of decree is necessary, and the execution which is not applicable of the execution in the judgment. On other hand, in the decree it is capable to the execution. It is capable to the execution. If we're talking about the sole judgment, the judgment is basically the decision given by the court of a tribunal concerning the case and specific rights of liability the parties involved. It is the ultimate result of the court case, which often resolve the dispute and terminates the entire suit. A judgment specific a party who won the case, remedies conferred to the winning party. There are four essentials of the judgment: a concise statement of the case, point, determination, decision, reason for the decision. This is the essentials of the judgment. After the case is heard, the judge pronounces the judgment in front of the entire court, either on the same date or in a further specified date, for which the proper notice is issued to the parties involved. The main objective of giving judgment is to support the final conclusion on which a judge arrived with the most logical convincing reason which convince the both party. They have to give some reason for the judgment also. In the simple words, we can say it is what the judge of the case writes concerning all the points of the issue in the matter, and the decision as those issues strictly specific that all the issues has been indicated. So every judgment gives by the court, it is based on the facts, witness, evidences, finding, etc. And the conclusion thereon, moreover, it specific on the basic and a reason to the reach the decision. And on the other hand, if we're talking about the decree can be defined as an official and authoritative order or a state sentence formally expressed in the court, hearing, understanding all the points in issue and determining the rights of the plaintiff defendant in a suit after the judgment is given. It is a court declaration in which it specifies the legal consequence, consider the facts, witnesses, and evidence submitted. If we're talking about the essentials of the decree, it's a formal expression of adjudication. Here the adjudication refers to the judicial determination on of the suit on the matters of controversy. Meaning of rights of parties to suit conclusively. Right are to be determined with the respect to all or any of the matters in the dispute in the suit. Adjudication has been given in the suit. So this is the four essentials of the decree. Decree is a conclusion on which the judge arrives through the reasoning after the hearing the parties concerned, the plaintiff and defendant on the merits and stating the same in the writing. In a simple words, decree constitutes the final part of a judgment. It drawn out the judgment made. It carries the basic details of the result. So this is a major difference between the decree and the judgment. So hope you understand what is the difference between the decree and a judgment. Hope you understand this topic. If you have any question regarding this topic, then you have to ask me in a comment box and I will give my best to answer it. A very thank you to all to watching this video.